Alrighty, it is now June 9th, 2020. I'm Dr. Deuk, and for those of you who watched the surgery we just broadcast and live streamed this morning, it was a 2-level Deuk laser disc repair, L34, L45, left approach. I was talking to my patient who's graciously agreed to allow us to video her and broadcast. So you just got out of surgery.
I did, and I feel like a brand new child.
Yeah, like literally 30 minutes ago, maybe even less, 20 minutes ago, we wheeled you out of the operating room. I was telling everybody during the surgery what we were doing. We were fixing 2 discs, L34, L45. Remember when I tested them?
And it hurt.
Yeah, it hurt. And that was the pain you typically get, right?
Yes,
That
yes.
you've lived with for how long now?
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
So we haven't given you anything for pain or anything.
No, sir.
Can you tell if the pain is still there or in your back, or is the back pain gone?
I feel pretty much like I've been reborn because all I feel is the incision pain right now. But before I came in here, there was so much pain in so many areas. It was like, throw me under the bus or fix me, and fix me, he did.
Yes, Deuk Spine Institute and the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. Now, there's a lot of people out there who I tell we can cure your back pain, and they don't believe me. They think I'm absolutely nuts. Can we cure back pain?
He's not nuts. He can fix you. Highly, highly recommended. Highly recommended.
All right, and the back pain you came in with this morning before your surgery, is it still there or is it gone?
No, man, it's gone. I don't
Gone.
even remember having that kind of pain anymore now because it's just so amazing, as if I was never in pain.
Awesome, awesome. Did you have any leg pain or any leg symptoms?
I had a lot of leg symptoms, and I got brand new legs.
So your leg feels better too?
Way.
Back and leg
Yes,
symptoms
sir.
gone?
100%.
Awesome. So we just did your surgery, literally got done half an hour ago. Where are you headed now?
I'm going to Taco Bell.
Hey, nothing wrong with that. She can eat, she can drink, and you know, back to normal tomorrow. You can drive your car, you can do normal stuff. You do have your back brace on, and it looks like
Absolutely.
it's fitting you really
Feels
well.
great.
Anything you want to tell the rest of the world?
Guys, come see him. Don't suffer. It's not worth it. He may be rough around the edges, but it's only because he cares. That's it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
God bless you, my friend.
You're welcome. Now go home and have fun.
Yes, sir.
All right.